Do you or your partner snore at night? Snoring might seem harmless, but it could be a sign of something more serious. Snoring is simply noisy breathing while you sleep. But sleep apnea is when your breathing actually pauses or becomes very shallow, sometimes dozens of times a night. This can leave you feeling tired, irritable, and even increase health risks. If snoring is affecting your sleep, don't ignore it. Get checked for sleep apnea and explore solutions like CPAP therapy for safer, better rest. Learn more at cpapsavers.com.